Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how you can recover deleted posts on Instagram. So I'll show you step by step how to do that. It's very easy, so let's get right into it. Now, head over to your profile section and head over to the top right hand corner with the three lines. Now here you're going to want to head over to the Your Activity setting here on how you use Instagram. Click it. Now, when you do that, head over to the removed and archived content. Now, luckily, Instagram has actually put a recently deleted on IGTV, stories, and even posts. So all you gotta do is just click recently deleted, and here you'll see all your deleted posts, stories, IGTV, and reels. They'll show up here, only you can see them. So it's a pretty cool option that they actually added. Let's just say that you accidentally deleted a pretty memorable post that you might have had, and you're just looking for it and you wish you really could like reinstate it or recover it. Well, here you can recover your recently deleted photos. So that's how you go ahead and do it, guys. That's how you recover your recently deleted posts, stories, and IGTV videos. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you all for the next